Consider the following statements regarding Azure. The table displays two columns, statement and answer. Row 1. Azure provides flexibility between capital expenditure, or CapEx, and operational expenditure, or OpEx. Row 2. If you create two Azure virtual machines that use the B2S size, each virtual machine will always generate the same monthly costs. Row 3. When an Azure virtual machine is stopped, you continue to pay storage costs associated to the virtual machine.
The corresponding options to evaluate are: A. Azure services enable a transition between upfront infrastructure investments and recurring operational consumption expenses. B. Deploying two virtual machines of the same size ensures they will incur the exact same monthly cost. C. Storage charges for a virtual machine continue to apply even when the virtual machine is in a stopped state. Please determine for each statement whether it is true or false.
I believe the correct answer is as follows. The first statement is true, as Azure supports a pay-as-you-go model, allowing firms to shift from capital expenditures on physical hardware to operational expenses. The second statement is false, because even with identical VM sizes, costs vary based on region, attached disks, and data egress. The third statement is true. Although stopping a VM stops compute charges, the storage disks remain provisioned and accrue costs.
For your exam preparation, always remember that virtual machine billing is modular. Compute and storage are billed independently. Even when a machine is shut down, you are still paying for the disk space it occupies because the data remains stored on Azure infrastructure. Keeping this distinction in mind will help you analyze billing scenarios effectively in future questions.